learned that every time you make a variable, you have to say the kind of variable that it is. Is it a number? Is it a string? Is it a character? What is it? If it's a number, what kind of number? Is it an integer? Int. Is it a double, is it a double, right? In other words, is it a decimal point? Is it a character? Is it a boolean? You have to specify the type. We have arrays. But remember, Java is more strict. So arrays, no problem, but you have to say the kind of values you're going to put into the arrays and the size of the array. And the size of the array. And you have to stick to that size. You cannot change that size. If you want a different size, you make a different array. For loops are exactly the same, except you have to do int when you make your iterator. And while loops are the same, do while loops are the same. If statements are almost exactly the same, what is the one thing that is different in the Boolean syntax? Exactly, use two equal equal, not equal equal equal. And the not equal is not equal. That's it. Everything else is you already know. Any questions or concerns up until now? Good? Congratulations. Let's take a photo, go home.